tons of gas left. 0.2 gallons.
Is Chris gonna make it? Looks like he's running out of... Has he got it? Oh no. Oh no, he's running out. He's got it, he's got it.
That was a close one.
Yeah, I have a spreadsheet, and I was only planning on taking 3 gallons until we were just about to grid, and I saw the numbers were different. I'm like, oh crap, and I went back to my spreadsheet, and I'm all tabbing back and forth right at the start.
Yeah, I was supposed to set it to 40 minutes. I think I set all the other races. This one was still part of my original set.
I need a push. Did you make it, Tom?
Nope, I can see it.
Oh shit, I should back up and push you. I didn't make it. I think Jeremy's going to get you.
Good race, guys. We'll catch you all next week. Thank you very much.
Yeah, great race, everyone.
Welcome, Pavel. Nice finish.
Just use my new traction control off button.
Awesome.
You pushing him? There he is. All right.